Okay children, we are talking about electromagnetic spectrum. Okay, so suppose this is the way that light is propagating. Okay, to the propagation of light in the perpendicular direction electric field and magnetic field. To the propagation of, there will be two oscillating fields. Already I discussed in that last chapter. The electric field. Earth is a big magnet, as well as it is a big. It acts like even an electric field. Even I told you. So the two oscillating means moving, electric and magnetic fields. The two oscillating electric and magnetic fields are in the perpendicular direction to the propagation of wave. This is the wave, the shorter one. This one is the violet color one, and this bigger one which is having a higher wavelength. It is the red color. So the light is propagating in the form of a wave, and two oscillating electric and magnetic fields are in the perpendicular direction. What is this electromagnetic spectrum? The electromagnetic spectrum is a continuous range of wavelengths. It is having continuous range of wavelengths. It is a continuous range of wavelengths which is having wider varieties of wavelengths. Many wider varieties of wavelengths are there. In the electromagnetic radiation, in the electromagnetic spectrum, you have these types of radiations. I told you wider varieties of radiations are there. Different varieties of radiations are there, I told you. Then what are those different varieties of radiations? The different varieties of radiations are, see here, visible spectrum. What you are seeing, all the VCR colors. If visible spectrum is at the center, this side 3 wavelengths, and this side 3 types of wavelengths are there. What are the 3? To this side, you are having infrared radiations, micro radiations, and radio radiations. And here, this side, ultraviolet radiations, X-rays, and gamma rays. So, the electromagnetic spectrum consists of 7 varieties of wavelengths, wider varieties of wavelengths. I told you there are 7 types of spectrum radiations are there. What are they? In the middle, visible radiation. This side, infrared radiations, micro radiations, and radio radiations. UV spectrum and X-rays and gamma rays. Here you see UV radiations. You know that ultraviolet radiation. All these radiations are coming from sun. These are the radiations that you are getting from the sun. You know that ultraviolet radiations are very dangerous radiations. Nowadays you are seeing the increasing number of cancer cases. One of the reasons for the increasing number of cancer cases is ultraviolet radiations. And you know that at the region of stratosphere, we are having a layer called as ozone. You know, Earth is having many layers: mesosphere, ionosphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, lithosphere. You know the layers. Okay, in the stratosphere level, there is a layer called as ozone, which is acting as a blanket. It is not allowing the ultraviolet rays to come to the earth. But what we are doing, these jet planes and all of them, they are tearing the ozone layer. Because of that, even ultraviolet rays are coming towards to the earth, and ozone, due to the depletion of the ozone layer, ultraviolet rays are coming to earth. And because of those ultraviolet rays, nowadays we are hearing about more and more cancer cases. Not only that, even the earth's temperature is also increasing. Okay, and this X-rays, you know what is the use of X-rays? Even they are very penetrating rays, Nana. They will see inside the body parts, okay, because they will penetrate into your body before that technician used to stay along with the patient while taking the X-ray. But nowadays, even those, as the science improved, they are operating from the system and they are not staying in that particular room because they are penetrating rays. They will penetrate into your body tissue. Okay. And after X-rays, what are the rays? Gamma rays are there. Gamma rays are the most penetrating rays, more than X-rays. These gamma rays are used to see, the use of gamma rays is they are used to see the worn out parts of the machinery. In the machinery, just like our scanning, the gamma rays will, generally the technicians will use the gamma rays to see the worn out parts of the machinery. Okay, if you come to these infrared radiations, those radiations, after visible radiation, if you put your hand, you can feel that infrared radiation because the radiations are heat producing radiations. You can see the infrared radiations with the help of soda glass. Have you ever had soda? The green color, holy soda you will say. With that glass you can see. If you watch sun, you can see the infrared radiation. For the naked eye, you can't visit, the infrared radiations are not visible to our naked eye. You can see those infrared radiations with the help of soda glass. And micro radiations and radio radiations, these radiations, they are useful for your, transmission of signals. Your telephone department, television, they works because of your radio waves. So electromagnetic spectrum means a continuous range of wavelengths. It is a continuous range of wavelengths. It consists of wider variety of wavelengths. What are those wider varieties? Visible rays, infrared rays, microwaves, and radio waves. And here, after visible radiation, you are having ultraviolet rays and next X-rays and gamma rays. All together are called as electromagnetic spectrum. So, till now we discussed about what is spectrum, how many types of spectrum are there, continuous and absorption and emission, and along with that I told you each atom is having its specific color, prominent color, just like cupric acid green, cupric chloride green, strontium chloride crimson red, sodium vapor, the yellow color light of the street lamp is because of the sodium vapor. And we also discussed about electromagnetic spectrum. Okay. This electromagnetic spectrum, if the propagation of the spectrum, if the propagation of this light is in this way, perpendicular to the direction of the propagation of light, there are two fields, electric and magnetic fields. The light is traveling along with that electric and magnetic fields. Those are oscillating, those two fields are oscillating perpendicular to the propagation of light. And I told you what is this electromagnetic spectrum? It is a continuous range of wavelengths. It has wide variety of wavelengths. And we also discussed the uses with visible radiation means the 7 colors what you are seeing. This is the visible radiation. Ultraviolet radiations are very fatal. If you are exposed to ultraviolet radiation, this side all the radiations are having penetration power. That means they will penetrate into your body. And we discussed all these 7. That visible, ultraviolet, X-rays, gamma rays, infrared, micro and radio waves. Make a running notes, the uses and the ranges also, from which range to which range they are. And if you have any doubts, you can. Okay children, thank you.